So in our last video, we estimated the quotient to be 60. Let's check its reasonableness by finding the exact quotient. Now we don't write our long division questions this way. We write them this way so we can think. 4 goes into 7 how many times? Before we actually start dividing, there are two strategies we use. The first is to do our count bys, our multiples of 7, all the way to times 9. And we just add 7 each time. That's our divisor. That's what we add each time. Seven, 8, one more. Now I have all of my count bys, my multiples. My other strategy is to write the steps. Does McDonald's sell cheeseburgers? To help us remember to divide, then multiply, then subtract, check, and bring down. Once we've done these two strategies, we're ready to start. 4 divided by 7. If I have 4 blocks, I cannot split them into 7 groups. 7 cannot go into 4. The lowest number, the least number 7 could go into would be 7. So I'm going to look at the 43 instead. The closest without going over to 43 is 42. So 7 goes into 43 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times. I have just divided. Now I'm going to multiply. 6 times 7 is 42. I will subtract. Check, is 1 less than 7? Yes, it is. And then bring down. Then I start the process all over again. 12 divided by 7. How many times does 7 go into 12? It goes in 1 time, so I've divided. Now I multiply what I just put up there. 1 times 7 is 7. Subtract. And I have nothing left to bring down, so I know that I've finished. 5 is less than 7. The remainder should always be less than the divisor. Now how do we check our work? 61 times 7. The inverse of division is multiplication, so I'm multiplying 61 times 7. I'm going to use the V method and start with the ones. 1 times 7 is 7. 6 times 7 is 42. But wait, I haven't gotten what I started with for the dividend. I need to add my remainder. 7 plus 5 is 12. 2 plus 1 is 3. And 4 plus 0 is 4. So I get what I started with, and I've checked my answer. Let's look back at our estimate. Is 61, remainder 5, close to 60? Yes, it is. Our estimate is in the ballpark. It is a reasonable estimate.